If you're looking for strategy to give to your team to grow sales on Amazon, this is for you. My name is Stephen Pope. I'm the founder of My Amazon Guy, and I'm proud to announce for the first time I am selling my playbook. Every single way to grow sales on Amazon is available in this one purchase for just under $300. So if you go over to myamazonguy.com/success, you can pick this up today. And in this video, I'm gonna walk through and explain what we tried to do and accomplish. So basically, I met with my team every week for 6 years. And every week we'd come in and say, hey, we need to pitch something to the clients, right? Because clients every day long, every brand ever is singing Janet Jackson in the background, what have you done for me lately? And when you're trying to work on your own Amazon brand, if you don't do something every single day, every single week, your sales start to shrink. And you got to go and grow those. Otherwise, your muscles, they get atrophy. So this is what I did. I went in every single week. All of my leaders in my entire company at My Amazon Guy came together and pitched an idea, how to grow sales. And over the course of multiple years, we came up with a list of all of the ways and all of the things that you can do to grow sales. So this delivery format, by the way, is going to come in a Google Sheet. You can download that into Excel if you'd like. I know some people are scared of Sheets, but if you're selling on Amazon and you don't do Google Sheets, you're crazy. There's bulk sheets in PPC. There's template file uploads. You got to embrace this. This is also super user-friendly. You can scroll through it. And so we have tabs built out for all kinds of different things. Growth strategies, promotion, strategy, pricing. We even have the impact, whether it's new or critical or low or the effort. And we measure every single one of these things. We have account audit checklists, advertising checklists, profitability tools, PPC issues and scenarios that you can all go through and figure out what's going to be the most important thing to do. A lot of the times, I think as Amazon sellers, we get really stuck finding out like, hey, there's so many things I can do. There's like 100 things I could do today. What should I actually do, right? And as a seller, this playbook will help tell you how to focus in and do this, right? If you just sort this based on whatever you're faced with right now, if you just want to work on all of the easiest, lowest hanging fruit, click a filter in the sheet, boom, I can go focus on these things. If I want to do the critical stuff first, I can do that. Some of those will be harder than others. And I can figure out which is the watermelon, which is the cantaloupe, and where's the apple higher up in the tree. You can also focus by topic. Maybe you are focused specifically on pay-per-click advertising or SEO, and you can find techniques around that. You're going to find a lot of cool things in there, and Amazon is always changing. So you always have to have new strategies that come out. And this playbook, we're going to keep this updated. And if you make this purchase, you'll get copies of the update over time, and you're never going to lose access to it. So you're going to want to make this purchase. Go to myamazonguy.com/success. And you can purchase this playbook for $297. I've spent millions of dollars making this for perspective. It takes a lot of time and effort to run an agency. There are so many things that are chock full in here. There's a lot of questions that we've been asked, like, why would we even sell this? I'm an education company. It's all of us against Amazon. Does this actually work? How will I receive it? If I don't like Google Sheets, who is this for? What skill do I need, right? Like, this is built for everybody. There are some basic things, there are some advanced things. And the usability of this is very comprehensive. It covers every potential way to grow sales on Amazon. I pretty much guarantee that you will find value and multiply what you pay for this in Amazon sales back or your money back. So you've got a risk guarantee. This is easy to use. It's all encompassing, and it's a playbook that gives you strategy. Every company ever that hires me always wants strategy. So if you're an agency, you can buy this and have your team pitch this to your clients. If you're a brand, you can use this and have a team huddle to decide your priorities for the year, the quarter, the week, whatever it might be. If you are working by yourself as an entrepreneur and you're like, where do I even start? This is the playbook that will teach you how to do that and know how the impact of some of these things work, right? So sometimes people will call me up and be like, hey, should I do Amazon Vine? I'm like, well, you can, but it's kind of low impact, and you have to pay for it, right? People call me up and ask me if I should do A+ content. I'm like, yes, do A+ content. Here's the impact of that. And by the way, don't forget the alt text and crawlable text, right? There are things that are built into this playbook to tell you like the specific actionable techniques, the tactics, as well as the high level strategy impact of doing these things. So check it out. My name is Stephen Pope. I'm the founder of My Amazon Guy, and this brand strategy playbook is a must-have for every single Amazon seller.